be honest, it looks a lot better in real life than on camera. Sorry. That is 15 to 75 candela. I'm going to show you. 1 second. Okay. $15 to $75 candela. So yeah, I can do this anywhere as long as it's quiet and disruptive. In other words, I can't do it in public places. This would be considered a public place, but the thing is it's a condo. So I don't have to worry about that. You know what I mean? Because, you know, I can have that go for as long as I want. It's awesome. Let's look in the mirror. Sorry for the TV. That can't be stopped. My grandfather's watching TV. Mercom horn strobe. Psst. By the way, I might buy one of those eventually. I really want one of those Mercom horn strobes. Quite cool. And look, AS. So I can't do that one because this one's a 4-wire and stuff. So can't do that. 4 wires or 2-wire devices that have, you know, multi-tones that have a way of making it silent, no any flashing. That would be fine too, but I would have to set it for that before I actually go to a place like this where the next apartment is just on the other side of the wall, if you know what I mean. I have more fire alarms in that back bag, but again, those ones I can't set off either. The Simplex True Alert strobe I can't set off because it needs my sync module to be hooked up to it, and I don't have a screwdriver or anything to do that with, but I have it with me. This is like the only alarm I can set off. So, I'm just having fun today doing this. I enjoy doing this a lot. My camera is really weird. Sorry. Freaking it's dumb. So this is just to let you stay updated and stuff. I was bored, so I decided to just do a quick video. No intro or outro this time. See you in the next video.